Hey there, Shot by APVA listeners. Welcome back to your go-to channel for all things audio and creative industry updates. I am T-Code and I'm thrilled to have you here. Today we've got a fantastic lineup of news, exciting opportunities, and a creative spotlight you don't want to miss. So let's dive right in. If this community has sparked your creativity or inspired you in any way, why not spread the word? Hit that like button, share this episode, and invite other creatives to join us. And hey, don't forget to visit apva.africa to become a member and stay in the loop. The Association of African Podcasters and Voice Artists, APVA, invites you to share your opportunities, events, and updates shaping Africa's audio creative industry. Whether you're connected to podcasting, spoken word, voiceover, or the broader audio space, we want to hear from you. In this edition of Respond, we spotlight the bold and borderless journey of Mo. From Nigeria to Korea to the US, Mo has carved out a global voice through her podcast, academic work, and cultural storytelling. With a More Sibyl podcast, she creates space for honest conversations around identity, migration, and what it means to live in between. Lounge FM is on the hunt for a talented morning show host to join their team. If you have the voice, vibe, and hustle to light up mornings, we want to hear from you. Truth Speaks, a civic advocacy movement, is calling on Nigerian law schools of the class of 24-25 to speak up for justice, peace, and strong institutions through the power of the spoken word. Submission deadline, June 10, 2025. The 2025 edition of Samira Bawumia Literature Prize (SBLP) is now open. This writing contest seeks to unearth and support young Ghanaian writers. This year's edition is open to writers between the ages of 15 to 30. Deadline, June 21, 2025. And now to some international news. Podcast Creator Summit is here again. The PRX Podcast Creator Summit will bring together some of the biggest names in the industry for an event of learning, networking, and creativity. Date: Austin, Texas, June 16 to 18, 2025. Atlanta, Georgia, July 30 to August 1, 2025. Spotify has introduced a new metric called plays to help podcast creators and publishers better understand audience engagement. This feature will display the total number of times people actively listen to or watch an episode, helping audiences decide which episodes to choose and giving creators insights into competent content performance. Our spotlight of the week is Wahiga K. Muturi. Wahiga K. Muturi is a Kenyan social entrepreneur, innovation strategist, and communications expert. He is the founder of Let's Create Africa, a social enterprise focused on empowering youth and fostering sustainable development across the continent. He is also a seasoned public speaker and corporate master of ceremonies, having hosted or co-hosted events like the Warriors for Good Awards 2025, which celebrates impactful change makers in Africa. Connect with him on LinkedIn, Wahiga K. Muturi, RTN. That's a wrap for today, folks. Thanks for tuning in. If you're hungry for more content, be sure to visit our website at apva.africa for all the latest updates. Stay connected, stay creative, and as always, keep on grooving. See you next time.